Honorable Chief Minister. So you have seen last government how it was. No Chief Minister has visited Sri City. And sir, other day was saying that speed of business is very important, not ease of doing business. Speed of business, you people have to work towards that. And he said the industrial policy also should be the best of 5 states in India. So we are working towards it. Sir has given some remarks on it. We are working towards it and we'll do our best. Our team and me are always available. We'll do our best because sir is known for industrial friendly chief minister in India, in the world. Our biggest brand is CBN, sir. You all know that. So we will improve on always. I mean, whatever you have any issues, any problems, anything, we are always available at disposal and we will do our best. And you will see Andhra Pradesh growing very well in coming next 5 years. You will see a lot of industries, lot of confidence is building right now with lot of industrialists around the world. They are planning to come to Andhra Pradesh. We have to just bring in new policy and sir is always there. So our biggest brand is CBN, sir. So we will do our best. Thank you.
Honorable Minister for Industries, respected Sri T.J. Bharat, Honorable Chairman Sri City, Mr. C.N. Raju, respected Ravichandra Sannareddy, who is looking after real time in Sri City, and my secretary and the officers and industrial friends. Always I am having so much of pleasure in interacting with industrialists. You are creating jobs, you are creating wealth. When you create wealth, automatically government will get more revenue. Thereby we can do better welfare, better empowerment. Then only what all we have to serve the people at most efficiently, it will happen. Not now. That is my brand from the beginning. I am pro-investment in India. Economic reform started in 1991. I became Chief Minister in 1995 first time. This is the 4th time. Combined Andhra Pradesh, now Navya Andhra Pradesh. Even I am the first politician to visit different countries to attract investment. It may be America, it may be Japan, Europe, Singapore, so many countries for that matter. I strongly believe nowadays world has become a global village. From then and today, I am seeing the difference. When I started economic reforms in 1995, at that time I thought information technology is the right way to put Indians on global map. That is how with one high-tech city, I started construction with PPP model. Today, I am very happy, day by day development has taken place. If you go to any country today, Indians are inevitable. For any development, IT means Indian. For every 4 IT professionals in the world, 1 is Indian. Among Indians, out of 4, 1 is from Andhra Pradesh. That is the strength of Andhra Pradesh. That is the first mover advantage. All these things helped us today. Anybody will go to anywhere in the world, there is Indian. If you go to posh locality, there Indians are living. All these things are happened within 25 years' time. You are seeing Hyderabad today, one of the most livable city. In India, that is the best city today. That is the infrastructure we created. Coming to this area, I really appreciate Chairman Srin Raju and also Ravichandra Sannareddy. You have done very good work here. Around 8,000 acres of land. And also the way they have conceived the project, I am very happy. They have done extremely well. It is a unique project. As on today, around 8,000 acres, and also special economic zone, domestic tariff zone, free trade warehousing zone, and electronics manufacturing clusters, everything they have established here. So far, 220 companies they are able to mobilize here. That is an amazing work they have done. 30 countries are present here. It is a unique experience. Always we are talking about bring foreign investment, everything. This is one example where different countries, 30 countries are present in one premises. Here, various industries, automotive, electronics, FMCG, food processing, and various industries are located here. And also $4.5 billion investment. Export alone, nearly $4 billion. That is a very amazing experiment they have done. Global brands like Isuzu, Kobelco, Mandalja, PepsiCo, Kellogg's, Alstom, Foxconn, Colgate, Palmolive, and several more are all here. Always this area is very interesting area. One side Chennai, another side Nellore, Krishnapatnam, third side is Tirupati. These three places are also very important places. Chennai always 55 kilometers from here, one of the best urban infrastructure. And also we were all in Chennai once, Madras Presidency State. At that time, Andhra Pradesh, even Karnataka, South India, totally are in Chennai as the capital. And also Krishnapatnam, Nellore, you are having one of the best port. Chennai, there is a port. Krishnapatnam, there is a port. Tirupati, one of the best city emerging because of Lord Balaji, one of the most powerful God. I strongly believe it. Living God in this century. So these are all again very, very excellent land. Educational institutions, we can add some more for human resource development. All these things are available. So we wanted to work here to make one of the best economic zone you may not find anywhere. I want to create that. Equal to Shenzhen or better than that, all these things we are working in that direction. Even they have done very good work. They are able to recognize as on today IGBC golden rating. Sri City is on the track to upgrade now platinum by becoming entirely carbon negative. I told him just now while coming, whenever I come here, whenever I go anywhere, I am always evaluating critically. I ask them first question. What is the rainwater you are harnessing